This is going to be a video tutorial on how to make your profile private on Pinterest using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to Pinterest here. I am on my iPhone now and I have the Pinterest app opened up. To make your profile private on Pinterest, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then in the upper left hand corner, you want to once again tap on your profile icon. And then you will go down to where it says Profile Visibility and tap on that. And now on this page it says Profile Visibility, manage how your profile can be viewed on and off of Pinterest. There's two different settings here. Private profile, when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following lists. You could toggle that on there. That will make your profile private. It asked me to review. I'm going to click on Not Now. Then the next thing down is Search Privacy. Hide your profile from boards, search engines, learn more. You can toggle that one on or off. That just hides your profile from search engines. But that is how to make your profile private on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.